The law is really complicated. What are our rights? What are our responsibilities? Lawyer Lindy McDonald will help us navigate this complex world on Ask a Lawyer.
Okay.
Hi there and welcome to Ask a Lawyer. I'm your host, Lindy McDonald.
Growing up, I benefited from volunteerism and from a number of social programs, and I hope that I'm able to provide that service back to others in the future. Doing it through the show is one of the ways that I get to, at the same time, give back and also enjoy myself, because it's always a pleasure learning from others and hearing from the community at large.
Thank you for taking my call.
Thank you for calling. How can we help you?
Well, I just wondered, and how do you break a lease if the environment you're living in, it's an apartment, is very, very unhealthy? And
Ask a Lawyer is a monthly program that's on the first Monday of each month, where we answer questions live from viewers, regular day people with regular day issues that involve the law. Each show will involve one guest lawyer who will help field all the questions we get from the viewers. The lawyer may be a specialist in criminal law, civil law, estate litigation, or any kind of law, and we do our best to get a broad cross-section of expertise to be able to answer all the questions our viewers send in.
The problem is it's a massage that was paid for by a gift card, and they say they can't give me a receipt and the reason.
We have eccentric questions from eccentric viewers and more run-of-the-mill questions from everyday folks, but it's always fun to hear what problems people are having in the real world. With the changes in the law, particularly recent ones, it'll be interesting to see what our experts say and what questions our viewers ask.
Sam, about 42 years ago, I had an accident that took place in my at work.
Yes?
And the management broke me down, and I had a nervous breakdown. So I took my gun when I went home, and I shot it through the window. And I wounded an old fellow and another person near the back, and I was arrested, and I was put into a situation where I had to go to Pentang machine.
The adage that truth is stranger than fiction is really rings true, particularly given the nature of the stories we hear. We are privileged that the viewers call in and ask us questions candidly live on TV. Those questions can range from anything to do with their very personal breakups or having been dismissed from their job, any number of things. And as a lawyer, I get to do my best to give advice to those people who are usually in a period of turmoil in their lives.
This is about when there is a will. I wonder if you could tell me, please, and say there's a will, and there's two executors for the will.
Local television helps ensure that the people aren't too distant from the medium that they're taking in this case TV, and ensures that the topics that are addressed are ones that are important to the viewers. In particular, on Ask a Lawyer, we're privileged to be able to hear what real people are dealing with on an everyday basis. When the questions are too numerous to respond to on the show, I'll give the caller a call back at home, and I'm always gratified to hear that they're very appreciative of the service that we provide, and that we actually do care about their issues. This season we're going to hear from a broad cross-section of experts, from family law experts to personal injury experts, and as always we're going to learn more than you could possibly imagine from the input not only of those experts but also the viewers who contribute by way of questions.